The move is impossible returned. Now it should work with the night ones. should be allowed now, unless we're doing night moves. Something is wrong. I don't update the possible moves. Main function. Possible moves. now white should be able to make one move. Yes, very good. But then there should be no more moves for anybody. Oh. What? Oh, that's interesting. No, that's not the problem. Then what's going on? I do update moves. I do clear. Make a move. You change the turn. Ooh, that's why. Wow, that's weird. So I have to make this to draw at the end, right? Yeah, this should be the one that draws in the end. How do we draw at the end though? I can define X and Y. Piece index. So I need the piece index for image, and I need the X and Y. Moving piece index. Can I do this? Type annotation is needed. I don't understand what's happening. It's can I say it's an option? Use size. Does this work? And then put it none. these are 32. Go to the other piece. We do break, we do continue, right? And then you can do that there. So this is while, and this is for loop. Here, if let some piece what is the scale, by the way? Okay, now this should fix that. Pawn moves. Bishop moves, rook moves, queen moves, king moves, pawn moves. So on moves. There are let first move is double possible. So okay, so if the location is, so I could do actually use the one index. So if the one index divided by 8 gives us 1 or 6, so one index by 8 as 64 is 1, then we're looking at a white piece. Then we should be looking at a white piece. One index. I wish I had the piece index here. So pawn moves needs piece index. Is U32 piece index? No, it's U side. If that is equal to 1 and actually I could, no, maybe it's better not to use turn here. If piece index is less than 6, okay, or one index is 6 and piece index is more than 5, just the black pieces, then double is possible. Now so direction is if piece index is that, it's the direction. Okay, can use a negative value for shift, right? Let me check just in case. Okay. So I guess I will have to do two different ifs here. So there should be no piece in some location. So if I don't want to have a loop and search for all the pieces to see if there is a piece right in front, I mean, if the loop is like, it's just a 12, I mean, the length of the area is 12, and I just have to do an iteration to see. I don't think there is any other possibility there. I could keep track of what is in front of the pawns. But then it makes it even more complicated. So I have to go for a loop here. It's a bit annoying, but what can we do? Piece index. it's white, if it is white, I have to do 2 checks here, and self the bitboard piece index location that mask, but what is this is okay. So for white we go shift left 8. Okay, we shift to left 8 times. That means the pawn is moving forward. So that's the location that we want. We ended with the self.bitboards, and if it's not 0, that means that in that location thing is empty. We can just say self.possible moves push. Okay, just move. From square is location mask. And to square is structure. Oh no, this is moves. Oh no, so I'm not pushing this now. This is just moves to square. Very good. I go all over the pieces. I check first if that square is white. If that square in front of it. then we add it to the mouse. Okay, very good. Possible, this one possible, that's false. And here is one possible, that is true. Then you go here, it is double possible. And if one possible. Now we have to do double thing. And this is 16. 16. Since we have to do this, we have to do these two together in one loop. Okay, okay. Okay, I have to go through this. There should I could set a flag, and if I find the piece there. Ooh, okay. Okay, let's do this. So this is the square tool, and then I go through these pieces. Here is one possible, that's gonna be false. Break, there's no need to check the rest. mutable. Okay. And then very good. And then at the end here, is one possible, double possible. Okay, should give us that one. Generate pawn moves. Do we have to return or no? There's no return. How do I do it here? I just do this. So that's. Well, what happens if the move is 0? Okay, there shouldn't be 0 moves. If moves is just 0 return. Too many conditions. But for now, I guess we can't do anything. But we'll see. What else do we have to do? Now we have to also do this one is interesting. I also have to do taking. With pawns. Taking to where that's the right one. Ooh, that's crazy. Okay. But then I can do this check later, right? Yeah, I can do this check later. Okay, so taking to square right, and then there is a left one. it's either 7 shift to left or 9 shift to left for white pawn to take. For black one, it's the shift to the right side. Okay. And then now that we have taken 2 square for both sides, we need to also check that one. Let mute is so I have to see which one of them. Okay, I don't have to do this, right? Why am I doing all of this condition? I don't have to do condition, right? I mean, this one should be, but this one here, the move will be if one is possible, is double possible. Let's go easy for now, and then I will think about a more complicated way to make this work a bit later. Check if there is an enemy piece there, or yeah, okay. So to check if there is any piece there, in that location, in the location of 2 square, what I would do is end with this thing. And then if it's 1, okay, then it shouldn't go to move. So I would have to define two variables. Is taking to square right possible, or is taking to left possible? And then do the similar thing for those two squares as well. That's the easy way, but I don't know. I think there's much more sophisticated way to do this, but it's just I cannot think of anything right now. So I'm gonna do this for now, which is really ugly, but later I will hopefully find a way. It's right if for white is 7, for black it's 9. Okay, then here is not 0, just make that false, and then here okay. I don't have to do this is literally doing OR here, this condition. No? Well, it's I don't know, there is no obvious way for me to understand how to do this. I will do it when I okay, let's see if this works. If it works, I'll put some time to make it work. One move works, 2 move works. I cannot take. So in taking, there should be 2 conditions. This actually has to be if one of them is okay, that's true. If there is any piece of enemy, which means that and okay, here the color shouldn't be the same. Piece index is not equal to is white. Yeah, that's the piece index there. And here I'm doing another piece index here. That's bad. So I have to make it pi p index. So it should check if p index, that's the enemy, is enemy white. Checks if it's enemy. Okay, let's see if this works first. And then I will try to replace this logic by some bitwise operations. I mean, if it's possible. Okay, taking works for now. Absolutely good. Okay, if I do crazy now, can I do this? No. Oh, I can go here. Why is that? How is this possible? If it's not equal to 0, that means that there is an enemy piece there, and it is enemy. Then this is true, otherwise it should be false. No, no. Nice. Okay. It's cool. I like it. So now I have to find a way to make this function smaller and just I mean, it's crazy, this thing. Like, it shouldn't be like this. I'm sure there's another way to do things. Like, there's a loop. I mean, the loop, I don't think there's a possibility to fix this loop. Maybe there is, I don't know. I will check if there is anything interesting to fix that. But that should be this. That should be it for tonight. Now we have pawn moves and knight moves. Of course, there is en passant, and I mean, en passant is left. I'll just write it somewhere. Add en passant. Okay, there is that, and then there is so sliding moves are gonna be difficult because I don't I think I have to use loop because I don't know how to do the magic numbers. And then there is the legality of the moves. If you do this move, for example, does that mean that your king is gonna be checked? That's another thing to be checked. And then yeah, that should be it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow our channel and like the video if you haven't done so already. Take care. Have a happy holidays and have a good year. I will see you tomorrow. I will be back tomorrow morning. Yeah, Paris time, so around 10 a.m. probably, hopefully. I will update the Discord channel, of course, whenever I go live, and you can follow Discord channel in description. Thank you for watching. See you. Take care. Bye bye.